Hey kids, welcome to Lesson 5, Creating Functions, Part 5. We're going to walk through the process that shows you the benefit of thinking about programming tasks in terms of writing functions. Over the next 3 levels, we're going to write a program that draws the figure shown to the right, which sort of looks like a jig-jagged diamond shaped here. So if we look over here, this looks like the shape. Kind of looks like a diamond if we look at it. It is a little rough, but definitely a diamond. If you look at the image, you might recognize elements that repeat. This is a 4-sided figure, and each side is made up of some zigzag steps. So they're talking about the quadrants. Each one has a separate one, and the zigzags are in each one. We're going to break the programming down into usable parts and then use those parts as a building block to make some more complex drawings. I think this is going to tell me that we're going to build some small steps that are ultimately going to be big things to actually finish this drawing. First, let's define a function that draws just one of these zigzag steps. We started you out with a function of right that you can use. We have a little more down here. Do this. Define a function named drawStep, which makes the turtle move forward and left as shown. Note at the end, the turtle should be facing the same direction as it started. So we have a turtle that goes over and kind of moves around. Now, if I look at the code they gave me, I have a function drawStep here with nothing in it, and a function right, which has 3 lefts, which is a right. That's pretty neat. And what I ultimately need to create is this right here. If I come down here, the first thing I can see is I do a move forward, I turn a left, then it looks like I spin around. Let's move some code into there. We're going to move forward, turn left, and then move forward again. Now this right here is my actual function. I still need a call for it. Where do I find my calls? Well, I go under functions here, and if I look down here, I can see my call. Remember, it's really important that these calls are named the same and spelled exactly the same, otherwise it won't work. For drawStep, we have a capitalized S, so I have to make sure that is the same over here in my call. Again, see the capitalized S right there? That's pretty good. Now every time I run drawStep, it should come down here, move forward, turn left, move forward. This spinning thing right here is 3 lefts, which I have down here. But I don't have anything calling it, and I need to do that. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to put another function down here, and I'm going to call this right. This right now calls down here, which is 3 lefts. I think when I hit run, it should go over and do something very similar. Let's turn down our speed a little. Let's hit run, over, spins around. That's beautiful. Looks pretty good so far. I think that's everything that code wanted me to do on this problem. Let's go ahead and check with them and see how we did. Hey! Good job, kids. We're going to finish this on the next lesson, so I will see you there. Good work.